Justice Kennedy did tell friends years ago, when during the either first or second Obama administration, I don't remember which, that as soon as there was a Republican in the White House, he would seriously think about leaving. He's been on the court for 33, 34 years, and he's 80 years old. Justice Kennedy, this is intriguing, scheduled a weekend sort of get-together with all of his former clerks, one of whom is Justice Gorsuch, for the fall of 2018. They moved that to this past weekend. Hint, maybe he won't be on the bench in the fall of 2018. On the other hand, he has 4 incoming clerks whom he's hired who are coming in the fall of 2017. So we're getting mixed signals. He will either make an announcement from the bench this morning at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time when the court convenes, or he will decide, you know what? Neil Gorsuch is my former clerk. He's a brilliant, wonderful justice. I want to enjoy a year or two working with him on the court before I go. It's going to be one or the other.
Could we also get some sign from the court this morning of what they might do, some kind of guidance on the president's executive order?
I think we're going to get more than a sign. We're going to get an announcement. They are scheduled to release announcements on applications for. This isn't a case before them because it's not over with. It's an application for emergency relief. They are scheduled to issue orders at 9:30 this morning about how they're disposing of them. Okay. If they simply say denied, that means that the stays stopping the president's travel ban stay in place until these cases are tried. If they do anything other than denied, it will have to have some specificity in there. The question is, should the travel ban stay in place while it is tried in a federal court in Hawaii and a federal court in Annapolis, or should it not stay in place while it's being tried?
Well,
Remember,
the answer
still hasn't even been a trial.
The answer is yes, right?
Well, I mean, is there any way to know what they're going to say?
No, there's no way to know. It's going to come out in 2 hours.
Well, it's very exciting.
Then. Yes, 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 it is.
Big day.
We have producers in the courtroom. We'll know immediately. They come out and wave red flags and white flags, so we'll know, because they take your BlackBerries and your iPhones when you're in there.
I remember the red flags during the Martha Stewart verdict.
Yes, yes.
Actually, it wasn't flags, it was scarves.
Yes, yes. I'm kidding about the scarves. I don't know the means of communication, but Fox people will know first.
So 9:30 for that, and then maybe 10 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 o'clock we're waiting on a very interesting opinion about whether or not when the state gives money to schools to repave playgrounds, they can give it to Catholic schools as well.
This is the Missouri case.
I think it's yes, this is the Missouri case. Yes, yes.
Look at the show off over here.
Why do you think he's always there? He's a smart kid.
I made you. My goal was to make you laugh, and I think I did it.
All the best.
Incredible insight from Judge Andrew Napolitano. It was always such a pleasure, Judge. Thank you.
Welcome.